Hi everyone, it's a very disheveled Bratz doll look. You know that meme? Hopefully I don't have to show you, but if you need to see it, this meme, it's iconic and I wanted to recreate it for Halloween. Something that would say 2020 in a look, you know? And something that's perfect for sitting on the couch watching Netflix. I want to do a little Halloweeny giveaway for my Halloweenies, you guys. I just put a bunch of makeup in this big box. So if you want to win that, I'll ship it anywhere in the world and I'll fill it up with a lot more products. And when I DM you, you can also let me know what skin tone you are, because if you're something like my skin tone, I probably have a lot of foundations that I could send you as well, and I'll pick someone to win that. So let's get into the look. You're gonna need to set apart like an hour and a half at least to do this. And the hair as well takes a surprising amount of time for how shit it looks. But you got to get the right amount of pineapple spray, you know? So, okay, let's get started and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, just a foundation now. I'm just gonna use one that has a nice coverage. This is the Makeup Forever HD. And this blender is by Dose of Colors. Look how cool it is. It's so squishy. I'm just gonna use that foundation. And I love the shape of this. It's got this huge like flat surface at the bottom. Oh my God, this sponge is really good. Then she's got, oh look, my hair's already starting to do it. She's got really arched eyebrows. I'm gonna use a pretty dark eyebrow pencil for that. And I'm not gonna make them full. I'm gonna try to make them thin and really Bratz doll. So actually just going in horizontal strokes rather than the little hair-like strokes. My goodness. Carving out underneath the brows just so they look really thin still. Definitely going over some hair, but whatever. That is so ugly. So ugly. Oh, by the way, I didn't even say, this is the Peach Concealer from Too Faced. I'll just take the sponge that had the foundation on it and go over those areas carefully around here. Dior sent me these little palettes. I think I'll use it because it's got some shades in there that look similar to what she's wearing. Honestly, I cannot find like a high quality photo, so it's a really dodgy image. So I'm just kind of guessing. Starting off with the highlight shade, and I'll go up under my brow. This taupe shade on the lid. I'm gonna do a little cut crease, and I'll take this brown on a little eyeliner brush and just trace a thin line. And I'm gonna start etching in the shape of the Bratz eye. Okay, white eyeliner, this is the liquid one from Fenty, so it should be really pigmented. And she's got like, I'm trying to do those doll eyes, so I'm gonna go in the lower inner corner for now. Connect it to the waterline like that. Okay, now, is it recording? Yeah. Black eyeliner. This is the Point Made by One Size, Patrick Starr's brand. They have a really good eyeliner. So I'm going to trace around my whole eye, including around the white part. Then I'm going to draw, I think I'll draw the lashes on later once I've done my concealer and stuff. I look like absolute trash now. And if this goes right, I will also look like trash at the end. But so far, I hate it. But I think it's going to come together. Okay, I need the mirror really close, and I'm gonna rest my elbow on the table so that I get a nice thin line underneath and then a little bit of a thicker one up top. Now I'm gonna put these Glamnetic lashes on. I did this side already. And I'm gonna do the other side now. So you just take them out, and they're magnetic, so they're not gonna be too much for while I'm watching TV. I can just peel them off once I've taken my selfies. So you've got to apply the magnetic eyeliner, and I've literally never done this before. This is the first time I've ever used magnetic eyelashes, and I'm really impressed with them. The reason I haven't tried them yet is because I feel like all the lashes are a bit too dramatic for me, you know, and my normal makeup style, but they're perfect for really dramatic looks. It says to let it dry like 80% before you put it on, and I'm just doing this to them so that they can stick really well, especially the inner corner. And I'm lining them up further out than where my eye stops so that I make my eyes look bigger, like a Bratz doll. Then once they're on, if you need to even out your eyeliner, I don't know if you meant to do this, but I'm just doing it with normal eyeliner on top. That's coming together. I'm really, really happy with that. Concealer. Okay, now the little lines under my eyes. Like that. Now to put some bronzer on, this is the Butter Biscuit Cheeks Out from Fenty. Okay, I'm gonna try to contour my nose because her nose is really snatched. They've got tiny noses, Bratz dolls. Okay, I take the KKW medium contour. Okay, I'll go under. Then the highlight. I think, like that. I feel like I'm not the best at contouring noses. I'll start in the contour. Clean the brush before you move on to the lighter parts. Did I do that right? I don't know if it looks good. I'm really sad this broke, this Dior highlight. I'm trying to at least get some use out of it. Okay, then I've got a luminous powder. This one's by Cover FX. So not a matte powder because the doll is really glowy, sweaty. Now some highlight on my cheeks. Bit up on my forehead. Ooh, this is not great for my skin texture. Oh my god, guys, there is makeup everywhere on me. Blush, is she wearing blush? We don't know because the quality is shite. This is literally what I'm working with and Googling like other pictures of the dolls. Obviously lips, let me get a lip liner. Okay, I'm gonna take a pink lip liner. This one's by Urban Decay and it's called Cruise. Probably never used this before. Yep. And I'm just gonna outline the shit out of my lips. I kind of want to use one of those things to make my lips really big. But no, okay. So the lips are kind of narrow. Like they're probably not wider than my actual lips, but they definitely got way higher. So I'll start in my natural corner. Luckily my bottom lip's already a little bit big, so that one won't look as bad, but the top lip's gonna look, it's gonna be hard. Some concealer to sharpen that up. The lips kind of swoop, so they have like a little pointy corners. I'm gonna add this glittery MAC lipstick on top. It's called Kiss of Stars. Then I've got a purple lip gloss. This one is Artist Couture Nympho. And I'm just gonna put it in these, in the Cupid bow. I just went and put blue contacts in, so I can't really see. So I can only see myself because these ones don't have my prescription in them. Now I'm gonna do my hair, and this is gonna be hard because it's really messy. So you just need to make sure there's heaps of little pieces in front of your face, and I kind of regret putting lip gloss on now. And her knot's on the very top of her head. And you need a pink hair tie. Ugh. No. No. No, what we need to do is, now I got this chunkier piece from further back in my hair because I need it to be longer. Just gonna put them a bit out of my face for now. My hair should naturally do the same thing that hers kind of does because the hair's kind of short, so it should get my layers popping up the top like a little pineapple. So just let me do a tight hair tie. And then if I go like this, little bits might come out. Right. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah, twist first, let all the pieces come out. And then wrap, rappity-doo-dah. Ta-da! Oh, queen. Yes. And then, gotta get them out again. So, oh my god, kind of accurate. I might just get some hair pins so that my hair goes like right up. So I'm gonna stick it in straight down so that some pieces go really upright. Oh my god. Now, she's got a cardigan or something on. I've got to go get that. One sec. Y'all, oh my god. I am so happy with how this came out. I think she just got like a blanket on, but I'm gonna use my fur. Like she's been in a hurricane. I just want to stop this from touching my mouth so much. Maybe if I tease it. Yay! Done. Okay, that's it. That is done. Very, you know what? I thought it was gonna be simple, but it's really not. This took me 2 hours. But I'm very happy with it. Came out well, considering I had like 4 pixels to work off. And it's really fun. And it's a bit silly and it's very 2020 COVID appropriate. Like if you're gonna be sitting on the couch watching movies. So let me know what you think in the comments. Happy Halloween, everyone. I hope whichever way you choose to celebrate Halloween, please be safe and considerate of other people. And don't forget to leave a comment and thumbs up the video if you want to win that huge box of makeup. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.